Have you ever felt like you're working harder than everyone else, but someone else is getting the promotion? Do you feel like your boss doesn't value your effort? Most of us think it's just bad luck. But success isn't about luck, it's about perspective. Today's story will change the way you look at your job and your life forever. Salman was frustrated. He felt ignored and unappreciated, driven by anger. He walked straight into his boss's office to demand an answer. He didn't know that the next 10 minutes would be the biggest lesson of his life. A lesson learned not from a book, but from a watermelon vendor. The boss listened to Salman's complaints and then smiled. He said, "Salman, I will answer you. But first, do a small task for me. Go to the market and see if anyone is selling watermelons." Salman went and came back in 5 minutes. "Yes, sir, there's one man selling watermelons." The boss asked, "What's the price per kilogram?" Salman ran back, returned, and said, "It's 100 rupees per kilogram." The boss asked, "Does he have enough stock?" Salman ran a third time and reported, "Yes, he has 20 watermelons." Now the boss called Ahmed, the man Salman was jealous of, and gave him the same task. Ahmed went once and returned after a while. He said, "Sir, there's only one shopkeeper selling watermelons. He's charging 100 per kilogram. But if we buy more than 10 kilograms, he will give them for 80. He has 20 in stock right now, but he can get fresh stock tomorrow morning if we need more. I even took his phone number, so we can place an order directly." Salman stood there in silence. He had his answer.